Lisa, hello. Okay, so y'all, we got this new prayer card kit. So pretty. Have y'all seen these? Oh my goodness. There's 90 cards in here, y'all. 90 designer prayer cards. Yeah, but look how pretty. So what you can also do with these is you can, of course, give them as gifts, but you can also bling them out. So have fun blinging these flowers out, and look at that. So we're gonna decorate one of these. But I'll show y'all. I'll show y'all how to do that. But let me show you what's in this kit. So all right. So what we're gonna do is, so y'all, I got this box. I feel like I did one last week too, but I just had to do this one for the prayer. So I thought about decorating something like this. Look, it looks like a book, but it is all wood, and it comes from, this is what it originally looks like, this wood. But I've already painted this white. I gave it a coat of, I think the Waverly in the color plaster. I thought about also using like a little angel or something and putting it here and giving it away. So y'all, we're gonna jazz up. Look, this has a little magnetic thing on there, but it looks like a book. Okay, so we are gonna be decoupaging this, but this is gonna be simple decoupaging tonight. I'm not gonna do, I am gonna put a mold here on the spine, but that's about as fancy as I'm gonna get tonight because I wanna keep this simple. So this paper right here is a Decoupage Queen paper. It is the angel that they have. So we're going to use the Pinup Decoupage Varnish and Glue. So we'll be using the Pinup. Now all these Pinup products, y'all, you can get at TH Decor. Now we're just going to start at the top here. You can use whatever, you know, whatever decoupage medium you want. We'll use a little brush for that. Glue right in there. Yeah, I think I'm just wrapping this paper around here. Okay. Almost glued it over. But so far we have her. Isn't she pretty? We're gonna do the edges too, like that. But I thought she was pretty. All right, let's glue this other down, and then we're gonna seal it all. All right, so we're just gonna, let's just go in and seal it. And guess what, y'all? We're gonna have to do this again. We're gonna have to do this again. Oh my goodness. Okay. Just gonna start here. So we have the back of it is that, and then the front. How pretty is that, y'all? Look, that is so. Okay, let's seal this real quick, and then we'll be done with this. So, all right. So this mold. So this is just a simple little mold that we're gonna put on the spine. I have heavy body gel. We'll do it. You can use Type Bond. You can use whatever you have. I am using the heavy body gel by Pinup. So I'm just gonna add that right there. So we've got that on there. And what we're gonna do with this, we will paint it. All right, so let's move on to, bling this. I might go with these flowers there in the corner, because the reason I was gonna do that is because it does have some flowers there on the corner. But then see, you can also put Totally Dazzled bling right here too, I thought. We made diamond dust. But what I wanted to do with these cards, since it is all about the prayer cards, let me put this aside real quick. I wanted just to show y'all these cards that you can like this one. And look, you can also bling that. That would be easy to bling, those flowers. This one, I was gonna put a cross on here. That's what it's in the kit for, right? How pretty. You can have this little stand sitting wherever you want to put your little prayer cards, and look how pretty. So, yeah, you can, or also you can turn it around and bling that side. Have fun blinging it. That would, let's do this, and I'm going to show y'all. This one's a simple one. Get that out of the way. Okay, so all you do is just put your little rhinestones in your little trays here. And get that out of the way. Okay, so we're going to take our little B7000. And all I'm going to do is I'm just going to outline. See, this has just kind of a diamond shape there. So I'm just going to outline that. Then all you're going to do is take your little tray and take your wax tip. Y'all, it picks it right up. That picks it right up on that wax tip. So all you do is, and that's just the fun of it, that wax tip picks it up every time. And you just place them right there where you put that, where you put the glue. Yeah, so see how fun and easy that is. So you'll continue on. You can outline these leaves, which I have done too over here, like that. You can outline those leaves. And so what I was going to do with this box, let me see where we're at. Yeah, I think I may just bling all this out with some of these rhinestones. You know what? Let's do that real quick too. Right here. But I just wanted to show y'all that I was going to make this little, you know, kind of a gift box for somebody with the prayer cards. I just think that's such an awesome gift. I would love that myself. So all of this you can get at totallydazzled.com. Go check out the deal of the month. Go check out, look how pretty. And what I was going to do is I'm going to paint this probably a pale pink. I'm going to go over it with my antique wax, brown wax, and probably highlight it with some gold since there's gold on this paper here. And I just stuck my finger in there. And then in here we're going to paint that a pale pink. I might do that stencil right up here. I will post a picture of this there. So you can take some prayer cards, put them in here. You can jazz them all up. You can put this little stand in there for them. All right, y'all. I'll see y'all next time. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free Printable Sparkle Quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.